Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Not just the stars or the planets, but the strange, terrifying unknowns. Somewhere out there, maybe light years away, maybe lurking quietly at the center of our own galaxy, is one of the universe's most mysterious beasts, a black hole. Let's begin at the edge of the black hole, what physicists call the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once you cross it, not even light can escape. At first, nothing feels strange. You drift forward in zero gravity, past the orbit of broken satellites and dead signals. The black hole grows larger, darker. Then, something shifts. You notice that time itself seems slower. Your watch ticks more gently. Your limbs feel heavier. It's not your imagination. To an observer watching from a safe distance, you appear frozen near the event horizon, slowly fading, like a hologram stuck in a glitch. But to you, everything feels normal. In fact, you don't notice anything truly dramatic until you pass the horizon, and then everything accelerates. You are falling, not in the sense of plummeting through the air, but space itself is folding toward the center. There's no friction, no resistance. Just warped motion. Light curves unnaturally. The laws you grew up with begin to stretch and deform. Even Einstein's relativity starts to bend. Now comes the part no human has ever experienced. Spaghettification. As you fall, your feet are pulled harder than your head. Your body begins to stretch. But here's the weirdest thing. You don't feel pain. You don't even feel anything anymore. Time is slowing so much that reality itself starts to change. Some physicists believe the singularity is a place where the laws of physics no longer apply. Space and time collapse into something we can't understand. To someone watching from far away, you never really entered the black hole. You just faded, like a shadow frozen near the edge of time. There are theories, wild and unprovable. Some suggest you might exit into another universe, or reappear somewhere else entirely. Others believe your information is stored on the event horizon, like a cosmic QR code, never fully lost, but never truly recovered. And then there's the most haunting theory of all, that you simply cease to be, not just death, but complete erasure from the fabric of space and time. Yet even now, even as your atoms stretch into oblivion, your last conscious thought lingers. You wonder, not with fear, but awe, if this journey meant something, whether falling into a black hole is an end, or a beginning that we just can't comprehend. And in that final fraction of a second, with the universe collapsing around your eyes, the last thing you see is not darkness, but the infinite curve of everything that ever was.